Do you want to learn how to share a story with someone on Instagram? In this video, I'll show you step-by-step instructions for sending stories on the popular social media platform. I'll walk you through the process from start to finish so that you can easily send any story you like to friends and family. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to learn how to get started. Open up the Instagram application and then find the story that you want to share. For the purpose of this video, I'm just going to select a random story. Once you have the story opened, tap on the little paper airplane icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. And now you have the ability to send this story to anyone you like. So go ahead and select a person from this list, or you can search for someone specific. And then you can write a message and simply tap on the send button at the bottom center of the screen to share the story with the person that you selected. One thing to keep in mind is that if you are sharing the story of someone with a private account, the person that you shared the story with won't be able to view it until they follow that private account. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.